Well, hello friends. If you are seeing this right now, you are watching the replay, so comment #replay. Look what's here. Just showed up this afternoon. So I wanted to come live and open this up and show you the products that got to come in the UPS box today. This is actually a larger box than what a normal starter box for Kleo would be, because I was able to participate in their launch partner program and we were allowed to get a larger box. So let me show you all the things that are in here. It's hard to be able to show you everything. Look at all that in there. It's huge. There's so many things. But anyhow, I wanted to show you real quick. I have not opened this. I unsealed it, but I did not open the box. I did not look at anything yet, except for, I'll talk a little bit about it in a second. But anyhow, so there's all sorts of literature in here. And all this I will look at later. Look, Kleo stickers. This is, hey Martha, how are you? This is talking about our compensation plan, our Bold Start plan, which is for our brand new stylists. Their first 3 months, they can earn all sorts of goodies with that. But I will look at those in further detail later. But let me show you some of the products. Look how pretty that is. So this is one of our gel strips, and you can see this is actually kind of like a mixed manicure all in one, because it looks to me like there's some solids, there's a couple accent nails, and then this next strip here down has some glitter to it as well. So it's got the perfect little mixed manicure all in one. There are 32 strips in here. They're all in assorted sizes, so you are going to be able to find the perfect fit for yourself. And they are also resealable if you don't use all of them up. So for sure, you're going to be able to get 2 manicures out of this, and possibly, even more. It just depends on the length of your nails and the sizing and all that. But at least it's going to be 2 manicures worth. So let me show you a few of those. So these are the gel strips. These just apply straight on. You don't have to cure them or anything like that. You're gonna apply the strip to your nail, press it on, and then you're gonna use a file and file straight down until you cut the excess off. You have to cut it all the way and then remove the excess. So they're nice and thick. They hold up and stay nice and shiny as you are wearing them. Look at that. That one's got some glitter. It's called Subtle Glam. That's the name of that one. So it's like a glitter nude. This one is Heartbreaker. This is a great red. I actually wore this one for about 11 days. I made it through. It held up really well. Even though it was a solid, it stayed super shiny and it did not crack as I was wearing it. So I do really like that about the gels. So let me talk a little bit about one of our other types. We've got 3 different product lines. So we have the gel strips that I just showed you some of those. Hey Lisa, hi Sarah, how are you guys? So we've got the gel strips that I just showed. We have press on fingernails. Look at these. So this is the product line number 2. And then the third product line is our LED cured strips, which I will show you here in a minute. Jen, yay. So Martha, they are all gel products. It's just, they're kind of like different finishes. So you either have the gel strips that you apply and then just remove the excess, or you have the actual, if this is a, fingernail, full fingernails that you press on. Sorry, I'm so excited I can't even talk straight. And then the other is a gel LED strip that you put on and then cure it with the LED light. These have like a glitter to them. Look at those. Super pretty. Okay. And for these press-ons, we have 3 different shapes. So this one here is considered a coffin shape. So you see how they're a little bit longer, and then the tip is kind of flattened at the top. So that is the coffin shape. Then we also have squoval, which was this one that I showed you. So these are a little bit shorter in length, and then the tip is more of a kind of flattened oval. So squoval is square oval. And then the other is our almond shaped. So, oh my gosh, look at that. This has like that cool cat eye effect to it. This one is Roman Empire. So then, let me see. I'm missing some comments. Okay, Martha, you've never worn gels. I know, right? And I'm telling you, the LED strips are amazing. They apply and then you cure them with the light, and they're like thicker on your nail. So I felt like they gave my nail lots of strength, and they held up so well. Sarah says, are you going to a press on? I want to know what you think before. Oh yeah. So I have not worn the press on nails yet. I got to do the gel strips and I got to do the LED strips, but I haven't worn the press on nails yet. You can see my nails are naked. And that's going to be what I'm going to put on next. Jen, press-ons are going to be fun, right? The press-ons really, like, I feel like they are on trend right now for especially like the younger, like high school age, college age, early 20s. Yeah, so awesome. Okay, so like I said, I was talking a little bit about the LED strips, and these are, to me, I think they're going to be our hero product. It is the one that, like, when I tried it, blew my mind, and that is what made me decide to sell Kleo, because I was so excited and they worked so well. So let's check out some of these. So it's in this dark, so that the light can't get to it, packaging. Very pretty. On the back side, I don't know if you can tell on that one. That one's a white one, so let me find one that's a little darker. So you can see it's got a picture of the color, so that when you are looking through your stash, you would be able to know what color it is. What's this one? Trailblaze. I want to open one up and show you all one. I don't know. Let's see. Which one I want to do. Glitterati. Oh, this one. I want to open this one. Royal Aura. Okay, sorry. I'm getting a little excited. Okay, so let's open this one so I can show you what's in there. There is a sealed light protective packaging that it's in, but you can see it's got like a little Ziploc on the top so that you can reseal them. So, let's see, is this, okay, it does just open. Nice, nice. So these also have the 32 strips in there. Look at that blue. It's like a metallic shimmery blue. And I can't wait to wear those. So this is what all comes in there. You've got your prep pad to wipe down your fingernails and the pads of your fingers before you apply. It's got a file in there, and it also has a little cuticle stick in there. So everything you need is right here. And then we have both sheets of the strips, and then there's like a protective sheet that goes in between them so they don't accidentally stick to each other while they're sitting there in the package. But look at all of the sizes that you have. It's amazing. So there's 32 strips in these packages as well. So again, it's like getting a double set. You are able to do your manicure at least twice with these. So for these, you're going to apply them to your nail. And then after you put it on, you're going to trim off the excess. I use just like nail clippers to do it, or you could use like little nail scissors. And then you're going to cure it with your LED lamp. So this little guy is super cute. Right now, if you purchase 3 sets of the LED strips, you're gonna get this guy for free on my website. So you would put 3 LED strips in your cart, and then this will auto-populate like immediately. You don't have to do anything, and it'll be at $0. So you don't have to put in a code or anything weird like that. So that's what I'm recommending to all my girlies that want to try these out, is to get your lamp for free by ordering your 3 LED strips. Hey, Connor.
Hello.
Let me see what else. And then we also have a remover that I will say, when I did open my box because I wanted to try the remover, but I couldn't go live because Facebook was down. So I will show you though what the remover is. Inside the box, you get some extra little orange sticks because you're going to use those. And then it is this little box, or little package of remover. It seems real little, but I'm telling you, it's like, I was expecting it somehow to be maybe a gel, but it's not. It's real liquidy. And what you would do is, this works on all 3 of our product lines. You're going to take your cuticle stick and you're going to go around the edges. So let's see here. See the cuticle stick, how it's kind of like flattened there? So you're going to take your strip that is on your nail, and you're going to take that cuticle strip and kind of go all the way around the edges and the back, and kind of try and put this underneath the strip a little bit. Not a ton. You're not trying to take it off. You're just trying to break the seal and make the edges kind of lift a little bit. Once you have it lifted, then take this, and you can see it's got like a little drip top on for the applicator, and just drip a few drops. Like, I held my finger like kind of this way so that when I dripped it in there, it was going down underneath the nail, or in my case, the LED strip that I was taking off. And I just kind of tapped it, touched it, like barely. So you can see I removed all of my nails like an hour ago, and I used like a tiny bit of it. Let me go back and look and see if I missed any. Yeah, Sarah said that you love that you can reseal them. Me too. Nothing's gonna go to waste. Can you mani and pedicure for 1 set? Oh yes, you can. So Martha, you can totally do that. I would say right now, you can do that with our gel strips, the ones that don't get cured, and then also with our LED strips that do get cured. You can totally use those on your toes. You would prep your toes just like you would your fingernails though. So when you're prepping, you want to push your cuticles back, okay? And make sure that you have, like, your cuticles are right there at the edge of your skin. You can see that. But there's also what's called an invisible cuticle at the base of your nail that's actually on your nail. You want to kind of scrape and push that stuff back too. That gives it a nice flat texture for this, for the product to adhere to your nail directly. You don't want that stuff in the way. And then after you push all your cuticles back, then you would use the little alcohol prep pad, and you're gonna wipe down all of your nails, or your toes in that case. I also always wipe the pads of my fingers because you're gonna be touching them as you apply, and you wanna make sure that you don't have any natural oils or anything that are on your fingers that you would transfer to the strip. Let's see. Yeah, oh yeah, Facebook was down for everybody. It was crazy, and so was Messenger. Is it any 3 strips like press on and or no? Okay, Martha, no. To get the LED lamp for free, you have to do the 3 LED strips. So that goes together. So here, let me tell you what I think is the best deal. I would say start out with these, with 3 LED strips, because I really think that these are going to be applicable to everybody. Everybody's gonna love these. So your first order, get these 3, and your LED light is gonna be free, and your shipping, no, not shipping is not gonna be free yet, but I'll tell you here in a second how you can get free shipping next time. So do this first. Then next time when you come back for your second order, then what I would have you do is sign up for the subscription box. The subscription box is really, it's just kind of like a monthly deal. It's, you get to choose what products you want and get a discount on it, and also get free shipping. So if you choose 3 products, and it can be any 3, it could be the remover and a set of press-ons, and I love the LEDs, so I'm gonna get another one of those, and you save 10% and get free shipping. Or if you do 5 products, you save 15% and still get free shipping. So it's a really good deal, but we can't stack. You can't do both. You can't do the subscription box and also get your free lamp all in one order, because those discounts just don't combine together. So that's what I would have you do. Let me know if you guys have any other questions, but I would love to have you in my VIP group if you're not already there. After I get off, I'll come back and I'll like create a comment that will show you exactly where you can go for my VIP group. Or you can go to my website if you're ready to order, and that is simply NailedItWithKelly.com. And when you go there, you're going to choose the top box, which is going to say order Kleo here, or place your order here or something. I don't know, but you'll see it. So you can either place your order, and then it's going to take you directly to my Kleo website. Is there a printed catalog or only digital right now? I'm sure like there's lots of things that they're working on right now, but to launch with, we've got a digital way of viewing everything. The other thing that I can do is if somebody is like, oh my gosh, I don't even know what to start with, this is overwhelming, let me know, just send me a message. I can create a cart for you and send it to you in a link, and then all you have to do is check out. So if that's something I can do to help you out with, I can totally do that too, because I've been on the backside of things right now for a month. Like we've been prepping and planning and talking all these things through. So it's not totally new to me, but it is totally new to you and to everybody that's in my VIP group. So it's a learning curve, and we're learning together, and it's okay. And I'm learning too, and I will share all my tips and tricks and sales and anything that I can do. You know, I'm going to shoot you straight. So, all right. Well, let me know if you all have any questions, but I am super excited for this. This is an amazing opportunity that I was able to get in on the very first day to sign up. So I'm really looking forward to see how this just explodes, because once people try these products, and especially the LED strips, like I said, these are my faves, you're going to be sold just like me. So have a great afternoon. I'll see y'all later.